Daily routine vocabulary and sentences. Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Guru, your friendly space to learn and speak English with confidence. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about something very simple, yet very powerful. Daily routine vocabulary and sentences. Now, why is this important? Because our daily life is filled with repeated actions. Waking up, getting ready, eating, working, and so on. If you can talk about these simple things fluently, it builds your confidence, helps you in conversations, and makes you feel more natural while speaking English. So today, I will teach you the vocabulary you need, the sentences you should use, and we'll also do some practice together. Make sure to repeat after me and speak along with me like a real classroom. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with the morning routine. When you start your day, what do you do? The first action is wake up. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then, get up. This means you get out of bed. I get up at 6:15. Waking up is opening your eyes. Getting up is leaving the bed. Next, brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning. Take a shower or have a bath. I take a shower after brushing my teeth. Get dressed. I get dressed for work. You can also say, change clothes. I change into my uniform. Then comes breakfast. Have breakfast. I usually have toast and tea for breakfast. Drink tea, coffee, juice. I drink a glass of warm water first. Read the newspaper or check my phone. I read the newspaper while having breakfast. Pack my bag. Lunch. I pack my office bag before I leave. Leave home. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Now we move into the daytime routine. Go to work. School. I go to work by train. Commute means to travel to work or school. I commute for 1 hour every day. At work or school, we do many things. Attend meetings, classes. I attend my English class at 10 a.m. Check emails, read messages. I check my emails first thing at work. Talk to colleagues, friends. I talk to my teammates about today's tasks. Write reports. Do assignments. I write reports and complete my tasks. Have lunch. I have lunch at around 1 p.m. After lunch, some people take a short break. Take a nap or rest for a while. I take a 15-minute nap if I'm home. In the afternoon, go shopping or run errands. I sometimes go to the market to buy groceries, visit friends or family. I visit my grandmother on weekends. Now let's look at the evening routine. Return home. I return home by 6 p.m. Relax, take rest. I relax for some time after coming home. Watch TV, YouTube, Netflix. I watch English videos to improve my language. Go for a walk. Exercise. I go for a walk in the park. Now comes dinner time. Have dinner. I usually have dinner with my family. Talk to family. Spend time with family. We sit together and talk about our day. Wash the dishes. Clean the kitchen. I help my mom clean up after dinner. Read a book. Scroll social media. I read a few pages before sleeping. Go to bed. I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. Fall asleep. Sleep. I fall asleep quickly because I'm tired. Now, let's use all of this in a complete daily routine paragraph. I wake up at 6 a.m. I get up, brush my teeth, and take a shower. After getting dressed, I have breakfast. I leave home at 8 o'clock and go to work. At work, I check my emails, attend meetings, and have lunch at 1 p.m. I return home by 6 p.m., relax, and watch TV. After dinner, I talk with my family and go to bed at 10:30 p.m. Now it's your turn. Let's do a little speaking practice. I'll ask you some questions. You answer aloud in full sentences. What time do you wake up? You say, I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do after breakfast? I go to school. I start my work. What time do you return home? I return home at 6 p.m. What do you do in the evening? I watch TV and have dinner. You're doing great. Remember, don't worry about grammar too much at first. Just try to speak clearly and slowly. Repeat these phrases daily, and soon you'll be able to talk about your day in fluent English. Before we end, here are a few final tips. Practice daily. Speak about your day in English for 2 to 3 minutes every night. Record yourself. Listen to your voice and correct your pronunciation. Use a mirror. Practice speaking in front of a mirror to build confidence. Learn 5 new words every day and use them in your sentences. Speak with a friend or partner. Practice makes progress. That's it for today's lesson on daily routine vocabulary and sentences. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to English Guru for more practical and powerful English lessons like this. Comment below with your daily routine in English. I will check and reply. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep growing.